Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah ta'ala says, شكوت إلى وكيع سوء حفظي فأرشدني إلى ترك المعاصي. Let me tell you a short story about our noble scholar, Al-Imam Muhammad Idris Al-Shafi'i rahimahullah ta'ala. Amin. Al-Imam Shafi'i is a kind of person. He is Sari'ul Hifz. He used to be very fast in memorization and he used to memorize Al-Quran Al-Karim per page. Do you know what I mean per page? What I mean per page is that he used to memorize Al-Quran Al-Karim from the beginning of the page till the end of the page, and once, as when he was reading it, he is memorizing it. Hope you understand. Now, once he is going to read it once and he has memorized it. He used to read it once from the beginning of that page till the end of that page, and he is going to read it for once and he is going to memorize it. So there is a day he now noticed that he didn't used to memorize as usual again, that he is now slow in his memorization. He now went to his sheikh, one of his scholars, which is a Sheikh Waqi'. He now told him, he narrated to him, he told him that he has not been memorizing as he used to before. And the Sheikh said that go and check yourself well, because it may be you have engaged yourself in a particular sin. So Imam Shafi'i rahimahullah ta'ala, he returned home and he started thinking, he started thinking until he now remembered that there was a particular time that there was a girl, a lady that is standing in front of him, and he mistakenly see her foot. Hope you understand. He mistakenly see her leg, her foot, and by remembering this, Imam Shafi'i went to Sheikh Waqi' again, and he told him that he has to remember that he mistakenly see a lady's leg and so on. So Imam Waqi', Sheikh Waqi', which is Imam Shafi'i's scholar, he said that this must be the reason why that you have been slowing in memorization. And for that, Imam Shafi'i now recites this poem that shakawtu ila waqi'in su'a hifzi. I went to Waqi' and I complained to him that I have not been memorizing very well. فَأَرْشَدَنِي إِلَى تَرْكِ الْمَعَاصِي. And Waqi', which is my sheikh, he instructed me. He told me that I should avoid sin. He told me that I should avoid engaging myself in sin. وأخبرني بأن العلم نور. And he let me know that knowledge, it is light. وأخبرني بأن العلم نور ونور الله لا يهدي لعاصي. He let me know that knowledge is light, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not going to give his light to someone that is engaging himself in committing sin. Hope you gain something from this from this story of our noble scholar Al-Imam Shafi'i. And this doesn't it also include for someone to have risk. Anything that you want Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to do for you, don't engage yourself in committing sin. Check yourself very well. Try to check yourself very well. Any sin that you are committing, try to leave it aside. Try to leave it aside. Don't be committing sin, because commitment of sin, it's used to reject it's used to reject the mercy, the rahmah of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala use this as accept this from me and you as an act of ibadah. Please follow us on all social media platforms at Arridowy Lectures TV. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.